Hello everyone, this is Sam from Trix. Welcome to the Adobe Illustrator Masterclass tutorial part 2. In today's tutorial I will discuss about the tool which is the text and text alignment tool. Generally, text tool helps you to insert text in your poster, business cards, flyers and all kinds of designs, title and texts. On the other hand, text alignment tool helps you to align different kinds of text alignment easily. Now follow the instructions. So, before getting started, there is a request for you. If you are new, then subscribe and press the bell icon. For now, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new file. For today's tutorial I will take an A4 page size which is 8.3 inch width and 11.7 inch height. But you can select any of this presets for you and also can make your own document. Let's set the document name to Text and Alignment tool. Now click on this Create button to create the artboard. After creating the artboard you will redirect to this window having your workspace. So, before starting this tutorial there is one thing you should make sure that you have this painting option enabled. After that you will be able to see all these tools and options in your software. Alright, now start with this text tool selecting from here. You can see that the short key for text tool is T. You can work by clicking here on this text or type tool by your mouse pointer. But I will suggest you that remember the short key, T, if you want to work quickly. Okay then, if you click on this type or text tool, your mouse pointer should change into this type of pointer. So, if we want to write something in this artboard, just left click on this artboard. This will create a text box for writing any text. Now you can write anything in this text box. You can see that the box is automatically filled up with some demo text. But we do not need this. So, delete this by pressing backspace. Now you will get a blank box for writing your text. Let's write here, welcome to Adobe Illustrator Masterclass Tutorial Part 2, Text and Align Tool. You can see that the texts are very small by default. But, you can change the font type, size and alignments from here. Also, if you click Ctrl+T then you can see this text modification window. From this modification window you can change your text size, font, height, width and many more. We will discuss all of them, but before then let's learn another method of writing paragraph using this text or type tool. So, for writing a paragraph you can simply click on this type or text tool or click T key from your keyboard. After then when the cursor pointer will be changed like this, like you have to draw a box like this. Now this is our paragraph writing area. You can see there are some dummy text has been appeared into this box. But you can delete this text by pressing backspace or delete button like this and can write your own text. But for this tutorial purpose I will teach you with this texts. So, for now if you look at this texts, these are very small in size. If you want to increase the text size then just click here. You will find this small window showing the character and paragraph option here. If you look here you can find many options like this. From here you can change your font. This is for font types, means that you can change your font type to regular, italic, bold by clicking this menu. And this is for font size. By default this remains in 12, but you can change it by increasing and decreasing the number like this. If you increase the number then the font size will be bigger, also if you decrease then the font size will be smaller. From here you can increase and decrease the gap from 2 or more lines of your paragraph. If you want to decrease the gap of 2 or a separate few lines, just select those 2 lines like this and then increase and decrease the numbers from here. Again, This is for increasing and decreasing the gaps between words letters, this is for height, this is for width, and this is for rotating. Try this more and more at home to understand these things properly. Or if you are facing any issues, then comment me below, I will help you. If you look here, then you will also find some other tools, like this is for making all the selected letters capital, this is for hypertext, this is for underlined text, and this is for deleted text, etc. Now this paragraph option here. If you click here, then you will find these options. By using this option you can align your text like left align, right align, centered align, etc. As we have talked about all these modification of texts, now let's talk about the color of the texts. So, if you look here that I have discussed our previous tutorial, the fill and stroke. You can change your text color by using this fill and stroke. Fill color will be the main color of your text and the stroke will be the outline color for your text. This are all for this text tool and text alignment. In our next video we will discuss about the anchor point tool. So, till then, stay safe and happy. See you soon in the next video. Also, if you are new in this channel, then subscribe and press the bell icon if you want to reach the video before everyone. Or if you like this video, then drop a like and share with your friends, which will encourage me future to make best tutorials. Again, if you have any problems with my video, then comment below, I will try to help myself to do it better. Thank you.